Which life-threatening condition, defined by dangerously low blood oxygen levels, was once a major cause of surgical deaths, but is now often prevented with pulse oximetry? The answer is hypoxemia. What mode of transportation largely fueled COVID-19's rapid international spread? The answer is air travel. During the American Civil War, which army benefited from Elizabeth Blackwell's organized nursing efforts? The answer is Union Army. Which epidemic is UNAIDS aiming to eliminate by 2030 through its strategy of achieving 90% diagnosis, treatment, and viral suppression? The answer is AIDS. Which modern health threat is undermining antibiotics when fighting infections like pneumonia? The answer is antimicrobial resistance. Which COVID-19 vaccine technology instructs cells to produce the spike protein? The answer is mRNA. In 1969, Harry Turner received a kidney transplant that has lasted over 50 years. Which relative donated the kidney? The answer is brother. During which global conflict was penicillin mass-produced, leading to a dramatic drop in surgical mortality? The answer is World War II. Unlike vaccine-derived protection, natural immunity develops when the body successfully overcomes which disease-causing event? The answer is infection. Mary Mallon, infamously dubbed Typhoid Mary, inadvertently sparked typhoid outbreaks through the meals she prepared in private homes. What was her occupation? The answer is cook. Question: which misleading nickname, born from a neutral nation's free wartime press, was commonly attached to the 1918 influenza pandemic? The answer is Spanish flu. What is the widely used nickname for London's historic St. Bartholomew's Hospital? The answer is Bart's. The term vaccine is derived from the Latin word vacca. Which animal does this word refer to? The answer is cow. Which life-saving treatment, established as the standard syphilis cure in 1947, was deliberately withheld from patients during the infamous Tuskegee study? The answer is penicillin. Which Scottish scientist is famed for discovering penicillin after noticing that mold on a petri dish killed surrounding bacteria? The answer is Alexander Fleming. Which Renaissance genius spent over 3 decades drawing intricate anatomical sketches that remained unpublished during his lifetime? The answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Which 19th century nurse, famously dubbed the Lady with the Lamp, transformed public health during the Crimean War? The answer is Florence Nightingale. Which French scientist developed the method of heating liquids to kill harmful germs? The answer is Louis Pasteur. Which major complication was avoided in the groundbreaking 1954 organ transplant between identical twins? The answer is immune rejection. Which Baltimore hospital, founded in 1889 by a philanthropist whose name it carries, became a trailblazer in integrating research, education, and patient care? The answer is Johns Hopkins.